Apple Incorporated will have its iPhone X production target for the first 3 months of the year to around 20 million units, Nikkei reported on Monday, sending its shares down more than 2% in early trading. The report added to growing concerns around weak sales of the $999 phone, making investors jittery about the company's financial outlook when it reports first quarter results on Thursday. Apple shares fell to their lowest level in 2018 on Monday, knocking off $14 billion from the company's market value. Apple earnings should handily beat December quarter expectations, but March guidance could moderately disappoint, UBS analysts said. The production cut was prompted by slower than expected sales in the holiday shopping season in Europe, the United States and China, the Japanese newspaper reported, without citing a source. iPhone X was the first phone to sport a new design since the launch of iPhone 6 in 2015, and many expected it to lead to blockbuster sales, dubbed by Wall Street analysts as supercycle. This was supposed to be the supercycle year, and if Apple hasn't been able to drive substantial unit growth this year, then that makes you little cautious on future iPhone cycles, Atlantic Equities analyst James Cordwell said. Several analysts have lowered their estimates for iPhone X shipments in the past few weeks, citing high price of the device among other factors, with at least 3 downgrading their rating on the stock. Adding to the concerns, Verizon Communications Incorporated said last week their post-paid device activations were lower than last year as people were keeping phones longer. A survey of people planning to buy the iPhone showed that the percentage of them looking to buy the iPhone X has dropped to 37% from 43% in an earlier survey, UBS analysts wrote in a note on Monday. The iPhone X, which features an edge-to-edge display and facial recognition technology to unlock the phone, went on sale in November in the United States. Asian supply chain checks suggest that iPhone X orders have been weakening recently, with first quarter production likely to be about 20 million units, JP Morgan analyst wrote in a note dated January 24. Quite a few of Apple's iPhone parts suppliers are based in Asia. Shares of Foxconn, one of Apple's main suppliers and formerly known as High Precision Industry Company Limited, fell 0.7% on Monday. Canaccord Genuity analysts have lowered their second quarter iPhone shipment estimates to 59.9 million units from 66 million units, citing their own survey. Our survey work indicates iPhone X sales were strong during the December quarter, but sales appear slower in January, more in line with normal seasonal trends, they wrote in a note. Apple was not immediately available for comment. Shares of U.S.-listed Apple suppliers such as Micron Technology Incorporated edged lower following the report.